This is CMF Phone 1, and today I'll show how you can fix overheating issues on this device. So at the start, I will provide you with a few advices on how to prevent overheating. So first, do not expose your smartphone to the direct sunlight for extended periods of time, or to put it simply, for too long. And second advice is that you do not fast charge your phone. Try to resort to using some slower charging equipment, even though you will sacrifice time, but you will gain a benefit of, well, less overheating. Then, if the overheating already happened, you can go into settings, battery, and switch on the battery saver to limit the processing and system performance so that phone will have more available room to cool itself down. And then, in order to try your best to prevent overheating from occurring in the future, you can also switch on the smart charging mode here, and also enable the adaptive battery feature. Use adaptive battery, make sure that this toggle is enabled, since the majority of cases have the battery overheating as their root for phone overheating. So take care of your battery, take care of charging, and overheating should, well, if not disappear, at the very least be significantly reduced. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.